So good or bad, this is an industry standard, and so I'm going to throw this up here. These are not our numbers. These are industry standard numbers. Here's where we're going with that. If it's in the well, that's what we need to know. Is the motor in the well or is it out of the well? The second thing we want to know, is it a new motor or is it a used motor? All right? So, for example, if it were in the well and it were a brand new motor, and you put your Megohmmeter on up there at the top of that well, you're now testing that resistance, all that electrical power cable running down to that pump motor. And so therefore, you need to be looking at 2 megs or more. If it's a used motor, it drops down to a 0.5 meg or more. Now these values come up significantly if you pull this pump and motor out of the well and you're testing this thing out of the well. If it's a brand new motor out of the well, you should be coming in at 20 megs or more. And if it's a used motor out of the well, that's 10 megs or more. Now, these are industry standards. These are industry thresholds. And the reason that they put these out as thresholds is for this. If you do a test and you come in lower than any of those values, any of them, do not reinstall that pump and motor because it's either dead or it's dying. So those are the values that we're going to stick with to determine whether we put a motor back in a well or not. And that daggone thing was grounded on all 3 legs. That's what he told me. He said it was grounded on all 3 legs. Almost like he was really trying to emphasize, dude, this was really, really grounded, right?